We are here to teach you on how to prepare financial analysis of financial statements of a single proprietorship. Here's the learning objectives. At the end of the video, you should be able to first, analyze financial statements horizontally. Second, analyze financial statements vertically. So, before we proceed to our main lesson, let us know first what is financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis is needed by every business in understanding and analyzing its operation and financial condition. It gives them the real picture of how well the business is doing or what should be done to improve its business condition. It is very helpful in evaluating business activities from the past, the present, and project future financial performance that will help in making sound economic decision. Sa madaling salita, mahalaga ang financial statement analysis dahil malaki ang naitutulong nito upang mas maging maayos at maganda ang operasyon ng business. So, these are the kinds of financial statement analysis techniques that we are going to discuss in this video. The horizontal analysis and the vertical analysis. First, we will discuss the horizontal analysis. Horizontal analysis is technique used for evaluating financial statements data over a period of time. It also called trend analysis because it shows the increases and decreases of each item in comparison with the previous year. These changes may be presented in monetary value, Philippine peso, and percentages using the following formulas. The formula to get the change in peso is current year balance minus prior year balance. And the formula to get the change in percentage is current year's balance minus prior year balance divided by prior year's balance. Here is our example. The net income for 2018 is 655,000 and the net income for 2019 is 932,000 pesos. So the current year balance here is amounted to 932,000 pesos and the prior year's balance is amounted to 655,000. Using the formula to get the change in peso, we will subtract 932,000 by 655,000. By the way, you may use your calculator to avoid mistake and to easily get the answer. So, the answer is 277,000. Then next, para makuha naman ang change in percentage, we will subtract 932,000 by 655,000. Ang sagot ay 277,000. At syempre, hindi pa dyan matatapos. I-divide pa natin ang nakuhang sagot sa prior year's balance, which is yung 655,000. And the answer is 42.29%. So, this analysis can be interpreted as net income for year 2019 has increased by 277,000 with a percentage of 42.29% as compared to year 2018.
The other kind of financial statement analysis is vertical analysis. Vertical analysis is a technique used that compares the relationship between each line item of the financial statement in one given period. It is also called common size analysis and may be used to analyze the statement of financial position or SFP and statement of comprehensive income or SCI. Ginagamit ang vertical analysis para ma-analyze ang statement of financial position or SFP at statement of comprehensive income or SCI. For Statement of Financial Position or SFP. Base amount will be the total assets. It concludes the composition of assets and the company's financing mix portion of assets financed by debt and equity. For the Statement of Comprehensive Income or SCI, base amount is net sales. It shows how net sales is used up by the different business expenses. Here is the example for Statement of Financial Position or SFP. Percentage of assets. You can also use a calculator for computation to get a percentage of assets. In 2019, we have cash is equal to 500,000. Accounts receivable, we have 150,000. Inventory, we have 200,000. Equipment, we have 800,000. And total assets is 1,650,000. And we have accounts payable is equal to 400,000. Notes payable, we have 150,000. Owner's capital, we have 1,100,000. And total liabilities and owner's equity, we have 1,650,000. In cash, 500,000 divided by 1,650,000 equals to 0.33 times 100 equals to 33.3%. In account receivable, 150,000 divided by 1,650,000 equals to 0.090 times 100 equals to 9.1%. In inventory, 200,000 divided by 1,650,000 equals to 0.012 times 100 equals to 12.1%. In equipment, 800,000 divided by 1,650,000 equals to 0.48 times 100 equals to 48.5%. Total of the components is 100%. In accounts payable, 400,000 divided by 1,650,000 equals to 0.24 times 100 is equal to 24.2%. In notes payable, 150,000 divided by 1,650,000 is equal to 0.090 times 100 is equal to 9.1%. In owner's capital, 1,100,000 divided by 1,650,000 is equal to 0.66 times 100 is equal to 66.7%. Total of the components is 100%. It can be interpreted as the largest component of asset is equipment with 48.5%. Account receivable is the smallest component at 9.1%. 33.3% of assets are financed by debt and the rest is financed by equity. And here the example for Statement of Comprehensive Income or SCI. In 2019, we have sales total of 5,300,000. Cost of goods sold 3,850,000. Gross profit we have 1,450,000. Operating expenses in rent we have 120,000. In salaries 385,000. Utilities 155,000. Administrative and other expenses is 545,000. And total net profit is 245,000. In cost of goods sold, 3,850,000 divided by 5,300,000 equals to 0.72 times 100 is equal to 72.6%. Gross profit, 1,450,000 divided by 5,300,000 equals to 0.27 times 100 is equal to 27.4%. In rent, 120,000 divided by 5,300,000 is equal to 0.022 times 100 is equal to 2.3. In salaries, 385,000 divided by 5,300,000 equals to 0.072 times 100 is equal to 7.3%. In utilities, 155,000 divided by 5,300,000 is equal to 0.029 times 100 is equal to 2.9%. In administrative and other expenses, 545,000 divided by 5,300,000 is equal to 0.10 times 100 is equal to 10.3%. In total of net profit, 245,000 divided by 5,300,000 is equal to 0.046 times 100 is equal to 4.6%. It can be interpreted as cost of goods sold is 72.6% of sales. Gross profit is 27.4% of sales. Total expenses is 22.7% of sales. For every peso of sales, the business earns 0.046 pesos and gross profit generates 0.274 pesos for every peso of sales. Ang purpose o layunin ng horizontal analysis ay para i-compare at i-analyze ang financial results ng different accounting periods in each financial account and elements, habang ang vertical analysis ay ginagamit para ma-analyze ang Statement of Financial Position or SFP at Statement of Comprehensive Income or SCI. Huwag niyong kakalimutan na ang dalawang ito ay may mahalagang gampanin sa isang business. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. We hope that you guys understand the lesson about on how to perform vertical and horizontal analysis of financial statement of a single proprietorship. This video was prepared and presented by Group 2 of ABM 12B. Once again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and comment.